For this next graphing example, we will have one where the center is translated a bit. So it's not going to be at 0, 0 anymore. It's going to be shifted. And we're going to use our ideas that we know for horizontal and vertical translations. So I want you to look at these top parts. They're a little different than what we've seen before. Usually it's just x squared. Usually it's just y squared. But if we have something inside the parentheses in each one, what we need to do in order to do the correct shifting is to make that equal to 0. So if I have x minus 3, that means that I'm going to shift the center over 3 to the right, and this one is going to be negative 2 to make that 0, and so that means 2 down. So when I see that, it means that the center, in this case, is going to be at 3, negative 2. So I'm going to plot that on my graph. 3, negative 2. So I start right there. There's my center of the graph. Now I look at these numbers again. The bigger number this time is under the y, so we're going to call that one a squared. It's going to be a mostly vertical ellipse in this case, and then this is going to be b squared, since that's the smaller number. So if a squared is equal to 49, that means a is equal to plus or minus 7. If b squared is equal to 25, b is going to be plus or minus 5. That means from this one we need to take that as the center and count 7 up and down from that dot. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here's my other vertex. And then down here, 7 away is going to be my second vertex on the major axis. And then plus or minus 5, we're going to count 5 in each direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, on to the last, most difficult part of this whole process is drawing the ellipse. Hopefully this one will be a little better than my last one. Nope. All right. And that's all you do to graph an ellipse.